Hey guys, this is Colin Dean with ThinkComputers. I'm here at the Synology booth at CES 2012 with Doug Self. He's going to show us a little bit about what Synology's been doing, especially in their control panel atmosphere. I, as the person who likes to review the NAS devices for ThinkComputers, am especially appreciative of Synology's approach to control panels and using a desktop paradigm. So here's Doug.
Cool, thanks. So what we're showing off for the first time here at CES is DiskStation Manager 4.0. We've done a little bit of cleaning around the edges. It's a little bit of a cleaner interface. Still has the desktop style within a browser. So again, you don't have any software to install. It all runs off the DiskStation itself into your browser. So navigation, we've improved a little bit. We've got pilot view and we've got a lot of things open. Yeah, so it really does run. Like, there's a lot of those little features that add up that make it seem like an actual operating system. So we're getting there. We've consolidated. There was a bit of fragmentation before in all the stations and all the features, and some things came pre-installed, some things were packages. So we've consolidated all that into one item. This is Package Center. So you choose which features you want installed. You choose when you don't want that anymore. You can add and remove at will and have one central spot to manage that.
Does that gain back any significant storage space?
No, not really. Not really. So it's not that type of management capability, but it's more about your system resources. So, for example, we've added an antivirus into DiskStation Manager with 4.0. If you leave that on all the time, it'll tax your resources. If you don't want to do it, you can disable it, or it's syslog server you're running CloudStation, which we'll get into. Or so it's just nice to know exactly what's running, exactly what you have installed, what you don't need, not even in the picture. So, like I said, we added an antivirus, just built directly into the system. It's free. There's no licenses. There's no upgrades. Clam, correct. Yeah, exactly. So that's a nice feature. As you can see, the laundry list of things we have installed on this one. Media streaming stuff, surveillance things. It's kind of all over the place. The big feature that we're showing off here is called CloudStation, which gives you a real-time synced folder that runs through your DiskStation. So to enable it, it's tough. It takes some work. You click this, and then you're done. You're going to need this number. This is a randomly generated code the DiskStation provides. You then download a client for either Windows or Mac, which is free on our website. Synology CloudStation right here, which will put a CloudStation folder on your desktop. Now this is your real-time synced folder, and any other device. We have iPad apps, we have Android tablet apps now, iPhone, Android, and then Mac and PC clients as well. So really any device you're on, one synced folder running through your DiskStation. Nobody ever touches your data but you. It's not on anybody else's servers. So nice feature.
Does that sync go over the internet at all, or do you have to be on the LAN?
Absolutely over the internet. What we've done is deployed relay servers around the world that we run, and your data actually never goes through our servers. So when the folder is updated, it pings our server, says, hey, I need a secure connection to this DiskStation, knows where the DiskStation is because you've enabled CloudStation, and creates that secure pipe for those files to be transferred. So no one touches your data but you. It's not in anyone else's cloud but your own.
Great.
So, and it's free. No licenses.
Comes with
anything.
Comes with a cake.
It's absolutely free. Yeah.
Awesome.
So, yeah. So that's mainly what we're showing off here at CES. A lot of other good secondary features in DiskStation Manager as we continue to evolve that.
That's great.
Yeah.
Great. Next, Doug's going to show us the DS411 Slim. Sure. It is a smaller NAS device, perhaps fit for going in and among HTPC or whatnot. Yeah. It runs with 4 2.5-inch drives, and Doug's going to tell us a little bit more about it.
Sure. So this is the DS411 Slim. As Colin said, it takes 4 2.5-inch drives, so you can have RAID 5 in the palm of your hand. It's kind of a cool thing. SSD is obviously still not cheap, but coming down in price, so becoming more and more feasible. but you can obviously use mechanical 2.5 inch as well. These are hot swappable with the NIC in the back, obviously. eSATA and USB for expansion, as well as a USB on the front for the auto copy. Really easy to shove your thumb drive in there, shove, maybe from your camera or however you're able to connect, pull data off. You don't have to go through a big process syncing anything otherwise. Neat little unit, like you said, works great in media cabinets, maybe really small apartments or offices that need it to be absolutely silent. Things like that. It's a pretty neat unit.
And as someone who takes a ridiculous amount of pictures at an event such as CES,
right.
Like my girlfriend shows dogs, I'm out there filling a 16 gig card in
Sure.
an hour. This is a perfect time to thing that I could take and leave in my hotel room
Absolutely.
or leave in a trailer,
Yeah.
and have network storage
Yeah.
on the go.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, and that's perfect. I mean, you can take in your carry-on. It doesn't take up that much space, and nice and portable for those type of environments.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much.
Pleasure. Thanks for stopping by.
This is Colin Dean for ThinkComputers at the Synology booth at CES 2012.